AI is not coming. It's already here. And it's changing the way you work, think, and live faster than you realize. Artificial intelligence is not science fiction. It's not robots taking over the world. AI is simply technology designed to learn, analyze, and help humans make better decisions. In fact, you already use AI every single day, even if you don't notice it. From your smartphone to online ads to navigation apps to content recommendations, AI is everywhere. So why is everyone suddenly talking about artificial intelligence right now? There are three main reasons. First, computing power is faster and cheaper than ever before. Second, massive amounts of data are available everywhere. And third, powerful AI tools are no longer limited to big companies. What used to be exclusive to tech giants is now available to individuals, freelancers, and small businesses. That's why AI feels like it appeared overnight, but in reality, it's been building quietly for years. Now, some people are afraid of artificial intelligence. Others completely ignore it. Both reactions are mistakes. AI will not replace people, but people who use AI will replace people who don't. The real danger is not artificial intelligence itself. The real danger is refusing to learn how to use it. And that's exactly why I created FutureMind AI. This channel is dedicated to understanding artificial intelligence without confusion, hype, or unnecessary complexity. Here, you'll learn how to use practical AI tools, understand how AI affects work and creativity, and apply artificial intelligence in real life, step by step. No technical jargon, no buzzwords, just clear, useful knowledge you can actually use. AI is not the future. It's already here. And if you want to stay ahead, subscribe to FutureMind AI and train your mind for what's next.